With the mill in the ready state, open vPanel, click Machine Cleaning, then click Front. Wait for the mill to stop moving, then open the milling area door and remove the cover. Use the provided brush to clean inside the milling area cover. Use a vacuum cleaner to clean most of the milling waste. Clean the clamp and A-axis with the brush. Then use the provided cloth to remove any fine dust. Close the milling area door, then in vPanel, click Rear. Wait for the mill to stop moving, then open the milling area door. Use the brush to clean the camera and ionizer cover. Do not touch inside the ionizer. Use the cloth to remove any remaining dust. Use the brush and then the cloth to clean parts of the clamp and A-axis that were previously inaccessible. Again, close the door, then click Reverse Side in vPanel. Open the door and clean the other side of the clamp with the brush and then the cloth. Close the door and click Spindle. Wait for the mill to stop moving, then clean the spindle. Close the door, then click Disc Changer. When the mill is stopped, open the disc changer door and remove any disc adapters. Then click OK. When the mill stops, clean the barcode sensor and each disc adapter slot. Close the disc changer door, click Close, and wait for the mill to stop moving.